first, protecting yourself and your family from the effects of war. We'll be discussing an important topic that requires our attention: protecting ourselves and our families from the effects of war. By prioritizing safety and taking necessary precautions, we can navigate through challenging times with resilience. War can disrupt lives, pose threats to personal safety, and impact communities. By being prepared and staying informed, we can prioritize the safety and well-being of our loved ones. First and foremost, let's talk about creating a family emergency plan. Sit down with your loved ones and discuss evacuation routes, designated meeting points, and important contact information. Regularly practice emergency drills to ensure everyone knows what to do in case of an emergency. Building an emergency supply kit is essential. Include essentials like non-perishable food, water, first aid supplies, flashlights, and extra batteries. Make sure to periodically check and replenish your supplies to ensure they're up to date and ready to use. During uncertain times, it's important to consider food security. Learn food preservation techniques like canning or dehydrating to extend the shelf life of perishable items. By having a stockpile of non-perishable food, you can ensure your family's nutritional needs are met during challenging times. Community support and solidarity are vital during times of crisis. Connect with your neighbors, join community groups, and stay informed about local resources and emergency response plans. By working together, we can create a safer and more resilient community. That's all for today, everyone. Remember, safety should always be our top priority. By implementing these strategies and staying informed, we can protect ourselves and our families from the effects of war. Stay vigilant, stay prepared, and take care of one another. Safety first, protecting yourself and your family from the effects of war. Subscribe to our channel for more tips and insights on how to prioritize safety and well-being in challenging times.